Welcome to Sustainability 101, Episode 1, Food Sustainability. Food is essential to life. Everyone wants it, everyone needs it. Everyone including our current population of 7.5 billion people. Most people are aware that the food they eat is an important factor affecting their health, but what is less well known is the impact of producing and consuming food has on the world's resources. Just as the cars we drive use a lot of energy and impact the environment, so does the food we eat, through, for example, greenhouse carbon emissions. The greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon which traps solar heat in the air. It keeps the temperatures warm enough for all forms of life to survive. Carbon dioxide is a type of gas which stays in the air. The carbon layer surrounding the Earth traps warm air and sends it back to the Earth. Today, the greenhouse effect that used to protect us has become a threat. Processes including industrial waste, modern inventions, and mass consumption have led to a significant increase in the use of fossil fuels, which release CO2 into the atmosphere, which contributes to global warming. What most people don't know is that what we choose to eat can significantly impact the environment. For example, the overall production of meat products, specifically beef, heavily contributes to the increase in carbon emissions. In the olden days, cows were produced using traditional methods in which cows were allowed to graze and the poop they produced was used as fertilizer. Since the consumption of beef products has increased over time, traditional methods have been replaced with more conventional methods which allow for a mass production of cows. Cows now consume corn instead of grass to make them more fat and plump. The cow's stomachs contain rumen, which is an enzyme necessary for grass digestion. We are forcing the cows to eat corn even though they prefer grass. Since cows are rumens, they fart and poop methane when they eat corn. Methane, like carbon, is also a greenhouse gas. Methane, however, can trap way more heat than carbon. All of this carbon and methane increases carbon emissions, which in turn enhances the greenhouse effect. It is estimated that red meat requires 28 times more land, 11 times more water, and releases 5 times more emissions in comparison to producing chicken. There are certain things we can do to help the environment, such as eat less beef.